I am Adriaans and we are at the Projecta booth at ISE 2018, booth number 2C50. And we are standing here at the Descender Pro. The Descender Electral has been for many years the most popular products in the Projecta range, so a ceiling recessed product, a ceiling recessed projection screen. Even though it was really well liked and it worked really well, we went to customers and we talked to them of what could be better, what they liked about the Descender and what could be better. And we got a lot of feedback, especially on the side of installation. So we went all over the product and came up with the new product, the Descender Pro, which has many installation features that makes installing a ceiling recessed screen much easier. So one of them is a new two-step method to install the screen. So first you install the case in the ceiling, and later on you click in the inside, which is the roller, the motor, and the fabric. And then you close it off with a latch. And that latch really closes off the screen nicely for a really clean finish without any visible screws or any lines open. On the other hand, for servicing, you can open that latch and just by clicking it, there's two push levers on either side, you can take out that entire roll. So for instance, the screen got damaged or you decide to have a different material with a different gain, you can actually replace that entire surface. That being said, this is a new screen. It is totally redesigned. It comes in one case design, one case size, up to a 4-meter width. And as a bonus, we raised the warranty of the entire product for up to 5 years. So that combined with the already well-known HD progressive materials for Projecta for high-resolution projection makes this a really interesting product for every ceiling recessed installation for projection. So come to ISE, see it for yourself. We have it here. We have it here in a demo version where you can test it out yourself. And you can find us at booth 2C50. Thank you.